How to flatten a hierarchical index in columns. I have a data frame with a hierarchical index in axis 1, columns, from a group B.ag operation. I want to flatten it, so that it looks like this. Names aren't critical, I could rename. How do I do this? I've tried a lot, to no avail. For a suggestion, here is the head and dict form.
I think the easiest way to do this would be to set the columns to the top level. Note, if the to level has a name, you can also access it by this, rather than 0. Dot. If you want to combine / join your multi-index into one index, assuming you have just string entries in your columns, you could. Note, we must strip the white space for when there is no second index.
All of the current answers on this thread must have been a bit dated. As of pandas version 0.24.0, the .to_flat_index does what you need. From pandas' own documentation. Multiindex .to_flat_index convert a multiindex to an index of tuples containing the level values. A simple example from its documentation. Applying to _flat_index. Using it to replace existing pandas column. An example of how you use it on dat, which is a data frame with a multi-index column. Flattening and renaming in place. May be worth noting how you can combine that with a simple list comprehension, thanks at Skippy and at min1123, to join the elements so your resulting column names are simple strings separated by, for example, underscores.
Andy Hayden's answer is certainly the easiest way. If you want to avoid duplicate column labels, you need to tweak a bit.